Okay, Senpai TS7 is the newest model. So how to support to the front camera. So the also reverse. This is the reverse cam. Hi. Okay, and the off reverse. And the front. So the front to 10 minutes. Okay. Also can to support the front camera. So to setting, go to setting, and ready. So the passport. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the direct back here. So the reverse front camera. Okay. So change to AHD camera, go to aux in, setting the hair to camera. So the hair can setting to NTSC and the pulse and the AHD camera. Also can support lah. Okay. So, thank you.